Hello Songbird, Kerri Ho from the songbird.com, where we get grounded, take flight and sing. Alrighty, so welcome to day 5 of 21 days to your new voice. Now today we're going to talk about something super grounding, super foundational, and that is all about your breath, okay? Now, I'm sure you've heard about 1,000 things online or wherever you hear it about singing and the way to breathe. So I just want to keep it super simple for you, okay? It's really not that complicated, okay? It really isn't. So here's what we're going to do. I want you to so I'm probably going to have to sit up a little bit higher to show you what I'm doing. We'll see how this goes, but I want you to put your hand on your stomach, okay? Your lower belly. Okay, so feel the lower belly there, and I want you to just sort of take a breath in such a way where you're actually going to push your tummy out towards your hand. So literally, your tummy is going to fill up like a balloon. That's it, okay? So you're going to take a breath in and your tummy is going to fill up like a balloon. You're going to feel the roundness of your tummy, and you're going to go, and just breathe it out. Yeah, that's it. All right, you're going to do it again. So breathing in such a way where your tummy just fills up like a balloon and you feel your hands literally coming outwards. Yeah, that's what should be happening. Okay. All right. Feel that? Awesome. Now that you know what that feels like, what we're going to do now is going to do the exact same thing. So you're going to breathe in and your hand's going to move out with your stomach. And now as you breathe out, you're going to leave your hands where they are. So you're not gonna keep touching your tummy. You're gonna let your tummy move in as it expands. As it expels the air, but you're gonna leave your hands where they are. So there should be a space now between your tummy and your hand. And now as you breathe in again, you're gonna fill up your tummy like a balloon, and then you'll feel your tummy touch your hand again. Does that make sense? It's kind of a little bit confusing. It's hard to explain without me being in the room with you, but what essentially we're trying to do is, because your hands would have been at a certain place after you filled in, when your tummy, was filled in like a balloon. But as you expand, of course, you start to contract, right? And instead of having your hands move in with you, let your hands stay there so that your tummy moves in like this. So this is my tummy, moves in. And then as I breathe out again, my tummy's going to touch my hand. Now, the reason why we're doing this is because we're cultivating a sense of you really knowing whether or not you're really expanding low in the lower belly area. Okay, so let's just do that a couple more times, okay? So again, have your hands on your lower tummy, lower belly, and you're going to breathe in such a way, you're not going to make too much noise, you're not going to be like, or anything like that. It's just actually going to be pretty chilled, silent, and the tummy's going to get, round like a balloon, and it's going to really move your hands out, and now you're going to contract, but you're going to leave your hands where they are, and let the air out. Breathe in again. And this time your hands your tummy should just naturally touch your hand. And then breathe out. And then again, breathe in. And there you go, the tummy touches the hand again. You got that? Now, we're going to take this to another level. So now we're going to do the same thing, but ribcage. So hands on your ribcage, okay? So right there, yeah, where the bones are, okay? And you're going to do exactly the same thing. So we're going to breathe in such a way where we're going to expand the ribs, and it's actually going to make my hands move out sideways like this, okay? So my hands are going to be like that, but driven by my rib cage moving, yeah? So we're going to breathe it in and then breathe it out, okay? So let's try that. So in, again, you're not going to make too much noise or gasp or anything, and then breathe it out. Breathe it in, you're just stretching your rib cage open and then letting it out. All right, now we're going to do what we did before with the tummy. So we're going to breathe it in. Your hands will have moved, but now you're going to leave your hands where they are as your rib contracts to expel the air. And then as you breathe in, you're going to feel your ribs touch your hand again. Yeah. So you see what I mean? This is a really good tester way to see whether or not you're really expanding in your ribs, So that's it. That's the breathing exercise. Now, here's the thing, Songbird. If you're able to sing using this breathing technique as you sing, so really thinking about the lower torso movement rather than the chest and the shoulders and a noisy, you know, sort of air every time, you are going to find that singing becomes easier. You're going to have much less strain, if not no strain. You're going to be able to sing higher notes. You're going to be able to hold notes for longer. Like, seriously, who does not want that? Right? So give it a go. Practice that exercise. You know, that's their exercise for the day. And it doesn't take long. Like, you could be doing that while you're sitting at your desk at work just for like 20 seconds. You know what I mean? Like, you could be doing it in your car. Like, I don't know, this is, you know, at the stoplights, or whatever. Like, seriously, it doesn't take long. You could do it before you go to bed. It'll help you get to sleep better as well, because, you know, deep breathing will facilitate relaxation. Anyway, just give it a go. Make it become a habit so that when you sing, you don't need to, you know, make it a difficult thing for you anymore. And I'm excited for you to experience that, Songbird. All right, now, if you are super keen and just really want to get into like, oh, I want to warm up my voice every day with the best exercises, right? I've got you covered, okay? Go to my website, click in the link below, and I will send you my ultimate vocal warm-up guide into your inbox completely for free. Otherwise, I shall see you tomorrow for day 6 of 21 days to your new voice. Love you, Songbird. I'll see you then.